Hey y'all, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and I am just a regular, ordinary mom. I am now a stay-at-home mom of 2 and I'm so excited to be sharing this video today with you guys. I'm going to be doing a little mini Hobby Lobby haul as well as sharing an awesome Valentine's Day gift idea, maybe for yourself or for a friend. And also we'll be doing a little bit of Valentine's Day cleaning and decorating. Now I do keep the Valentine's Day decorations to a minimum. I just keep it pretty simple, but I do like to have a little touches of it here and there just for fun. So if you haven't already, grab yourself a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, whatever you'd like, and let's go ahead and get into it. If you can't tell, Mama is feeling good today. I actually put on some makeup for you guys. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys that today's video is actually partnered with a beautiful jewelry brand called Ana Luisa. And I don't normally do this too often, but whenever I do decide to partner with a brand, it's only because I find that the product is of high quality and it's actually something that I enjoy and that I'm excited to share with you guys. They sent me 3 pairs of beautiful earrings. I'm actually wearing a pair today and they are just so beautiful and so simple, and I have been wearing them non-stop since I have received them. Super beautiful, super comfortable, and they have a little bit of something for everybody. So this is perfect just in time for Valentine's Day because they actually have a buy one get one 50% off sale going on for Valentine's Day. You can totally treat yourself as well as get something for a friend or for your mom or sister or whoever. Alright, so I went ahead and flipped the camera around so we can get a closer look at these beautiful earrings. I just absolutely love how they individually package each piece of jewelry. I just thought that was so neat and so much fun. And like I was saying, I have pretty sensitive skin, and the fact that I haven't had any irritation from any of the earrings that they sent says a lot. So that was definitely a plus. Another thing that I love about this brand is that they are actually carbon neutral and climate neutral certified, which I thought was really cool. And the products are super affordable. They actually have designs starting as low as $39, which you cannot beat that. And they also offer free shipping here in the US, but they do offer international shipping if you're in a different country. So make sure you go down in the description box down below and check out the link. It'll take you straight to the website and check out all the beautiful pieces that they have. So now it's time for a little Hobby Lobby haul. I went ahead and grabbed some candy while I was there because I never know the next time I'm able to go out in public. I found these little junior mints, of course, some kisses in the red and pink wrappers, and then I had to get the little conversation hearts. So I didn't have anything for the door, and I wanted to see if I could find something to put on our front door this year. I haven't really had much luck. Our door is actually red, so a lot of times Valentine's Day things are red, and I didn't really want to do just straight red or find something that had a lot of red because it would just blend right in. You wouldn't be able to see it. So whenever I went to Hobby Lobby, I did find this. Well, I found this heart. It's super pretty, but it does seem like it's missing something, and so I'm going to try and get crafty with it, and I'm going to show y'all what my thoughts are on this. Peter helped me. We found this. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. And I'm going to see if I can somehow hang it into the center. So I got to get some string or something. I don't know what you call this, but I'm going to cut it and somehow put it like in here somehow in this heart, and then we'll have like all 3. And I feel like that'll show up on our front door a lot better than some of the other door hangers and things that I was seeing. So we'll see. We'll get a little crafty in a little bit and see what happens. And I thought this one was really pretty. It's just got the 2, and it has enough space, so I'll be able to fill it up pretty good. And this one's just kind of like a pretty wood, kind of rusticy wood color. I got this little jar with the little white heart lid. this little kissing booth sign. I thought it was really cute, kind of vintagey looking. And I got this sweet little sign, kind of a retro feel to it, and it's got the little stand. And so I thought these would kind of go well together. Little, I don't know what you call this, but like a little tassel-y beaded thing that I'll dangle over something on the tier tray. And then the last thing I got was this sweet little pitcher, and it's just cute. I'm gonna probably put some black and white straws that I have in it, and that's it. That's all I picked up for Valentine's Day. I already had a few things, which you'll see in a little bit. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to get started. Let's go ahead and do the tier tray first.
There ain't nothing like sunshine and air to make you feel like you don't have a care. There ain't no one else around but you. So here's exactly what you're gonna do. Take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all over? No, you're meant for now when you get the chance. So put on your favorite sound and dance.
All right, y'all tell me what you think. I'm not really like a master of these things, but they are fun to put together. So for now, I ended up just kind of tucking it back on my charcuterie board, and I put the rest of the kisses in that little heart-shaped dish I have, and this little Love You More sign I had from last year. So that's our little Valentine's corner in the kitchen. So I wanted to share something right here with you guys. I saw another YouTube mom do and share a couple years ago where this is real time right here, this isn't slow motion, where you actually take your vacuum and you pull it very, very slowly, and it's almost like a deeper clean. I try and do that every now and again just to get all the crud out of the carpet as much as I can. And I'm doing it here on this rug too, and it really makes a difference just to, after you do like a quick run over, just to do it very, very slowly, and you can feel it pulling on the rug to get all the stuff out. And this thing was empty whenever I started. Alright, so here we are taking on this door hanger that I'm trying to create here. I just got my hot glue gun and I'm just hot gluing these pieces together, and then I end up getting a piece of ribbon to tie this heart inside the beaded heart, and I will show y'all what it turned out to look like here in just a minute. Alright, so I'm quickly doing a sweep through in the kitchen, and I recently broke down and got one of those O-Cedar spin mops, and y'all, I absolutely love it. I can see why so many people have them. I feel like it thoroughly gets the floor clean, and I like how easy it is to like wring it out. I'm currently using this Lysol brand new day multi-surface cleaner. I just put a little bit in there just to help kill any bacteria on the floor, and it smells really good. And yeah, I love this mop, and I want to get in the habit of using it more often. So I gonna go ahead and do a quick mop through of the kitchen here. Alright, so we are nearing the end of this video. As I finish up cleaning up the floor here, I just wanted to give one last shout out to Ana Luisa. Thank you so much for partnering with me on this video, and y'all don't forget to check them out. Go on their website, go in the description box below, and it'll take you straight there. And y'all just enjoy your Valentine's Day. I hope that you got some cleaning inspiration or decoration ideas. And y'all don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to leave a comment and say hello, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!